Question 6. What have you learned about technologies from the process of constructing this product? Okay, this is going to be a fairly quick one, but it's also going to be probably one of the ones that best illustrates how far you've come in this project. I've come in this project. I'll just have probably my front cover up on this particular image. But yeah, if you see out on the Photoshop, on the Photoshop layout, when I started this course, I will be honest, I had no idea what any of these things down the left hand side did. I was completely in the dark, and now I can go through every single one and just list exactly what it does and how to use it effectively in what situation. And say, for example, you've got the clone stamp tool, which can take one part of an image and supplant it onto another. You have got the lasso image, the lasso tool, which allows you to cut around certain parts of an image and transplant them back and forth. There's the crop tool. There's the eyedropper tool, which allows you to sample different bits of colour of the image. And on the right hand side you've got the layers. When I first started Photoshop, I had no idea how to put one thing on top of the other, mostly because I had no idea how layers work. And now look, I've got far too many of them. But yes, this course has massively improved the technological skills from the starting point where I was basically a child fumbling around in the dark, and now I've still got a long way to go, but I feel I've gained a fair amount of competence with the system. And as for other programs, you can see down the bottom I've got stuff like VideoScribe open, which I haven't used as much as I wanted to, because for various reasons I could not figure out how to work it with the computer I was using. But yeah, I have used the VideoScribe in completing my evaluation, and as well as Prezi, which you'll probably have already seen. And yeah, it's really sort of opened up the way that I've viewed a lot of technology, because when I started out, it was basically just I had a vague idea of how Photoshop worked, and that was it. And I had no idea about what basically feels a little bit like cheating a lot of the time, just how easy it is to do a lot of the stuff on Photoshop and VideoScribe and stuff like that. It really is, it's astonishing sometimes just how easy you can make your life just through putting in just a little bit of practice.